So now let's add a sprite to the UFO. And so to add resources, the easiest way to do this in Godot is just to right click on your resource folder in the file system doc and press open file manager. Then you can drag and drop any assets you want. So I grabbed a couple of Kenny asset packs, which you can just Google if you want to find them. They're public domain, free to use. So we'll go ahead and clean that up. And now if you check back in your file system, you'll see that these two folders popped up. So let's grab some sprites. So let's grab this PNG. We can go down and we can add a UFO sprite to our UFO. And this is going to be kind of like our character. So if we drag that on, we can see it right there. So now I have this script where it grabs the mouse position from the viewport. Don't worry about this too much. We'll talk more about scripting later. But basically I just have it grabbing or creating a variable, which I can actually do this a little cleaner. I can put this up here and then delete that. That way we're not creating a new variable every time. We're just updating this variable to wherever my mouse position is. And then if I uncomment these, we'll set the self position y equal to my mouse position y and the self position x equal to my mouse position x. All this is a vector 2. And all I'm printing out is a vector 2, which is just this. It's 2 numbers. So again, we'll talk more about this later. If this is confusing, don't worry about it. But basically all this is doing is taking the self, which in this case is the UFO because that's what we have the script attached to, and it is setting the position to my mouse. So if I press play, as you can see, the UFO is set to my position on the coordinate system, the coordinate plane. So 0, 0, all the way up to 120 by 600. So cool.